Hi, everyone. I'm Anna Berry for New to the Street right here at the New York Stock Exchange, and we're going to be speaking with Lantern Pharma. It's an AI company that's creating cancer medications that are actively dosing patients currently now through clinical trials. And I'm so happy to welcome its CEO, Pana Sharma. Welcome to New to the Street.
Thanks. Great to be here. Thank you, Anna.
All right, so before we dive in, talk a little bit about what Lantern Pharma is really doing that's shaking up drug development.
Yeah, drug development is very expensive, very risky. It takes a long time. I mean, it's a perfect problem area for data and AI. And that's what we've done. What we've done is we've accomplished bringing 3 drugs into clinical trials in the course of the last few years. We've got 12 active programs across a wide range of cancers. But the great thing about all this is that we've done it using AI. We've created a platform that now does this better than any one scientist, any 5 scientists, or any team of hundreds of scientists. We've created an AI platform that can do the work of thousands of scientists, again, focused on cancer. And that's really a real great testament to our team.
Absolutely. And you were breaking it down for me earlier. I would like for you to do that with our viewers because it really made a lot of sense. And what you're speaking of is the RADR. That is your AI platform and how you are using AI for good.
Yeah. I mean, our team is 100% focused on one problem. And the problem is that we all come from backgrounds where we've done a lot of work in cancer. Our our CFO was a president of a cancer company. Our chief scientific officer was a director at the National Cancer Institute. And so everyone really believes that cancer drugs have to be made faster and cheaper. There's no solution to making drugs less expensive than, guess what? Making them less expensive, less. Everything is less. The semiconductors that are powering this interview and the technology, trading on the floor here in the New York Stock Exchange, lower. But why do drugs cost more? AI, software, and computing has transformed every industry.
And with all of this good news, you also have a spinoff, the Starlight Therapeutics. So how is that going to continue this momentum?
That's a wonderful example. 3 years ago, one of our drugs we did not even think worked in brain cancer. It was actually the AI that said, by the way, you might want to look at brain cancers, CNS cancers, actually. And guess what we did? We ignored it. Our team said, well, there's probably some crazy reason the AI said brain cancer. And the next time it came up, as we loaded more data and investigated the drug and did the clinical studies and in vitro studies, brain cancer came up again. Then we're like, we can't ignore it. We did the hard work in the lab, and guess what? It works really well in brain cancer.
Wow.
Yeah. So we've extended the life of 2 patients significantly in a trial. So we've already actually manufactured the drug. We've got a fast track designation from the FDA. And more importantly, this drug really works very well in brain cancers.
Well, there you have it. Pana, thank you so much for this great interview and conversation. And the best of luck to you and your team. That's Lantern Pharma. It trades on the NASDAQ, LTRN. Thank you all for watching.